Want to start investing but feel overwhelmed by all the options out there? ETFs could be your ticket to building wealth, without the confusion. In this video, I'll explain what ETFs are, why they're so popular, and how you can start investing like a pro today. Stick around. This is your beginner's guide to ETFs. Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm financially savvy, and I break down the world of investing into simple, actionable steps. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on more tips to grow your money. Today, we're diving into ETFs, exchange-traded funds. These are one of the easiest and most beginner-friendly ways to start investing, and they're a hot topic in the financial world right now. Let's get started. What is an ETF? First off, what exactly is an ETF? An ETF, or exchange-traded fund, is essentially a basket of investments, like stocks, bonds, or other assets, that you can buy and sell just like a regular stock. Imagine it as a pre-packaged investment combo. For example, instead of buying individual shares of Google, Apple, or Microsoft, you could invest in a tech-focused ETF and own a slice of all three, and more. Why are ETFs so popular? So, why are ETFs so popular among investors, especially beginners? Here are 3 key reasons. Keycap 1. Diversification. ETFs let you spread your money across many investments, which reduces your risk. Think of it as not putting all your eggs in one basket. Even if one company in the ETF performs poorly, the others can balance it out. Keycap 2. Low costs. Unlike mutual funds, ETFs generally have lower fees. This means you keep more of your money over time. Keycap 3. Flexibility. ETFs trade on the stock market like individual stocks. You can buy and sell them throughout the day, making them super convenient. How to start investing in ETFs? Alright, now that you know what ETFs are and why they're awesome, how do you actually start investing? Here's a step-by-step guide. Keycap 1. Pick a brokerage. Sign up for an online brokerage like Fidelity, Charles Schwab, or Robinhood. Most of them have zero fees to trade ETFs these days. Keycap 2. Research ETFs. Look for ETFs that match your goals. Want to invest in clean energy? Check out an ETF like ICLN. Interested in the S&P 500? SPY is a classic choice. Keycap 3. Start small. Don't feel pressure to invest a ton of money right away. With ETFs, you can start with as little as $50 or $100 and grow from there. Common ETF mistakes to avoid. Before we wrap up, let's talk about common mistakes new investors make with ETFs, and how to avoid them. Keycap 1. Chasing trends. Don't invest in an ETF just because it's popular. Do your research and make sure it aligns with your financial goals. Keycap 2. Ignoring fees. While most ETFs are low cost, some have higher expense ratios. Always check the fees before you invest. Keycap 3. Not diversifying. Even with ETFs, it's smart to mix different types, like stocks, bonds, and international funds, for a balanced portfolio. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to ETFs. These funds can be a game changer for your investing journey, but remember, always invest with a plan and stick to your goals. If you found this video helpful, Give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who's ready to start investing. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips to help you grow your wealth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.